Here I've got Doogee S70, and let me show you how to make your phone number private. So it's quite quick and easy operation. At first you need to open Phone Dialer, tap on More icon then, and select Settings. Then go to Colon Accounts and pick Play. And now just tap on Additional Settings, wait a couple of seconds, and press Caller ID. And here you can smoothly hide your phone number by tapping on Hide Number, and from now on your caller ID will be private, so no one will be able to recognize your phone number as it will be hidden. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.